Sports enthusiasts, innovators, engineers and inventors have created Surflakes, the world's largest wave pool in Queensland, Australia, that uses 5 waves technology where the tubular waves can reach almost 7 feet. It's where novice, intermediate and professional surfers can ride 5 different types of waves within the same man-made pool and looks totally awesome. This magnificent technology is designed to potentially produce over 2,000 waves per hour and accommodates all skill sets and surfcraft. 5 waves technology imitates powerful ocean groundswells with waves approaching in sets of 2 to 6. It does this by creating concentric waves that radiate outwards from a central wave device. So realistic, these convincing and addictive waves break over specially designed and lifelike submerged reefs and shorelines as if Mother Nature was doing it herself. The contour of each reef was designed differently to enable the wave energy to dissipate and create waves, which break at different speeds, shapes and sizes. As much as 10 separate waves can be generated from each pulse of the central wave device. After 7 years of extensive research and testing of this game-changing technology, the team built a prototype at the aforementioned Queensland location. While it's not yet open to the public, the RAT prototype pool has helped Surflakes creators zero in and perfect their technology. The cool thing about Surflakes is that it accommodates all abilities. Level 1 beginner allows novices to learn how to paddle, catch waves and stand up on softboards. Level 2 intermediate offers a gentle wave that's easy to catch, ride and learn how to do turns. Level 3 Advanced offers a marginally larger wave with a steeper takeoff and more critical sections for advanced turns as well as aerial maneuvers. Level 4 Expert break starts with 5-second barrel, trailed by a section for advanced turns and airs. This is ideal for training, competitions and events. Lastly, the Level 5 Pro, where the break is a heavy slab, suitable for high-level surfers and bodyboarders. The face height is over 2 meters or 6.5 feet, which is the largest of all of its waves. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.